Hello everyone, hope you're doing fine. Welcome back to yet another episode of Ayurveda, a smart way to Ayurveda. I'm Dr. Kavya Vasudev and you're watching Study Ashtanga Hridaya series. Please subscribe to my channel and enable the bell button for continuous updates in Samhita. In the last video, we did a portion from Annaraksha Adhyaya. If you have not watched that video, please click the I button to access it. Moving with the rest of the chapter. In the last video, we discussed about the signs which are being seen in the food and other substances which are got poison. Today, moving with Vishana Pariksha, that is testing of poison food. How to identify or how to examine whether a food is being contaminated with poison is being mentioned. प्राप्यान्नं सविषं तु अग्निरेकावर्तः स्फुटत्यति शिखिकण्डाप धूमार्चिर् अनर्चिर् वा उग्र गन्धवान् प्राप्य अन्नं सविषं तु अग्निः एकावर्तः स्फुटत्यति शिखि कंडाप धूम अर्चिः अनर्चिः वा उग्र गन्धवान् प्राप्य अन्नं सविषं तु अग्निः एकावर्तः स्फुटत्यति शिखि कंडाप धूम अर्चिः अनर्चिः वा उग्र गन्धवान्. So the testing of the food which is getting poison, by throwing the food in the fire, ekavartaha, the flame emits as a single pile. Spudatyadi, it produces or emits a crackling sound. Shikikandaba dhuma, that the color of smoke will be resembling that of peacock neck, that is blue in color. Archihi anarchihiva, there will be sometimes archi or the flame, or sometimes anarchihi, sometimes flame may not be present. And ugra gandhavan, it will be producing or emitting very foul and strong smell. Effect of poison on birds and animals. Mriyante makshikaha prashya kakaha kshamaswaro bhavet utkroshanti cha drishtuveva tat shuka datyuha sarikaha hamsaha praskhalati glanir jivan jivasya jayate chakorasya akshivairagyam क्रौञ्चस्य स्यात् मदोदयः कपोद परभृत् दक्ष चक्रवाका जहत्यसून् उद्वेगं याति मार्जारः शकृद्मुञ्चति वानरः हृष्येत् मयूर तद्दृष्ट्या मन्दतेजो भवेत् विषम्. म्रियन्ते मक्षिकाः प्राश्य काकः क्षामस्वरो भवेत् उत्क्रोशन्ति च दृष्टेव तत् शुक दात्युः सारिकाः हंसः प्रस्खलति ग्लानिः जीवन्जीवस्य जायते चकोरस्य अक्षि वैराग्यं क्रौञ्चस्य स्यात् मदोदयः कपोत परभृत दक्ष चक्रवाका जहति असून् उद्वेगं याति मार्जारः शकृत् मुञ्चति वानरः हृष्येत् मयूरः तद् दृष्ट्या मन्द तेजो भवेत् विषम्. म्रियन्ते मक्षिकाः प्राश्य काकः क्षामस्वरो भवेत् उत्क्रोशन्ति च दृष्टेव तत् शुकदात्युः सारिकाः हंसः प्रस्खलति ग्लानिः जीवन्जीवस्य जायते चकोरस्य अक्षिवैराग्यं क्रौञ्चस्य स्यात् मदोदयः कपोत परभृत दक्ष चक्रवाका जहति असून् उद्वेगं याति मार्जारः शकृत् मुञ्चति वानरः हृष्येते मयूरः तद् दृष्ट्या मन्दतेजो भवेत् विषम्. The effect of poison on food and as birds and animals. By eating such poison food, mriyante makshikaha, the flies will be dying. Kakaha kshamasvaro, the voice of the crow becomes depleted or very low pitched voice. Shuka datyuha sarika drishteva utkroshanti, the birds such as shuka, datyuha and sarika, by seeing the poison food itself, they will be hooting or producing noises. Hamsaha praskhalati, swan will be changing the shift, gait will be changed. Glanihi jivan jivasya, the jivan jiva will be getting exhausted by consuming this food. Chakorasya akshivairagyam, the eyes of the chakora bird will be getting discolored on eating this poison food. Kraunchasya madodaya, the krauncha bird will become intoxicated on consumption of such poison food. Kapoda, Parabhrida, Daksha, Chakravaka, Jahati, Asun. These kinds of birds will be losing their life or they will die on consuming these poisoned food. Udvegam Yati Marjaraha. The cat or Marjara will become irritated or very excited. Shakrit Munchati Vanaraha. On consumption of poisoned food, Vanara or monkey will defecate. Hrishet Mayuraha Tadrishtya. But peacock will become delightful by sight of this poisoned food. And Manda Tejo Bhaved Visham. And the toxicity of the poison will be decreasing when it is being seen by the peacock. Ityannam Vishavat Jnatva Tyejedevam Prayeknataha Yadha Yena Vipadyerannapi Na Kshudra Jantavaha. Iti Annam Vishavat Jnatva Tyejet Evam Prayeknataha Yadha Tena Vipadyeran Api Na Kshudra Jantavaha. Iti Annam Vishavat Jnatva Tyejet Evam Prayeknataha Yadha Tena Vipadyeran Api Na Kshudra Jantavaha. When the food is found to be poisonous, it should be disposed of properly because it should not cause any harm even to the small creatures. Vishanaja Vikara, the diseases caused by the poison food, especially by the contact of such food, what all signs and symptoms are seen in the body is being mentioned. Sprishte Kandu Daha Usha Jvara Arti Spoda Suptayaha Nakharomachyutihi Shofaha Segadya Vishanashanaha Shastav Tatra Pralepascha Sevyachandana Patmakaihi Sasomavalka Talisapatra Kushtamrita Natehi. Sprishte tu Kandu Daha Usha Jvara Arti Spoda Suptayaha Nakha Roma Chutihi Shofaha Sekadya Vishanashanaha Shastad Tatra Pralepaha Cha Sevya Chandana Patmakaihi Sasomavalka Talisapatra Kushta Amrita Natehi. Sprishte tu Kandu Daha Usha Jvara Arti Spoda Suptayaha Nakharoma Chutihi Shofaha Sekadya Vishanashanaha Shastat Tatra Pralepaha Cha Sevya Chandana Patmakaihi Sasomavalka Talisapatra Kushta Amrita Natehi. The sprishta, that is poison food, when it comes in contact with the skin, it will produce kandu, that is itching, daha, burning sensation all over the body, usha, burning sensation at the site of touch, that is especially a particular area will be having burning sensation, jvara, fever, arti, pain, spoda, eruptions on the skin will be produced, supti, loss of tactile sensation or numbness will be produced, nakharomachyuti, falling of the nails and hairs, and shofa, swelling will be seen. The treatment given in such condition are Sekadya Vishanashanaha. Seka is a treatment method in which the medicated liquid will be poured over the body. Seka, praseka, such are the medications or the treatments in which the medicated liquids are being poured. So, such sekadi treatment has to be done and using Vishanashana Dravyas. So, the medication or the liquid has to be prepared using Vishanashana Dravyas or anti-poisonous drugs, and that water or decoction has to be used for doing the Seka, Parisheka, etc. And Pralepa, the application of paste has to be done using the drugs like Sevya, Chandana, Patmaka, Somavalka, Talisapatra, Kushta, Amrita, Nata, etc. Symptoms on consumption of poisoned food. Lala jihhoshtayor jadyam usha chimichimayanam dandaharsho rasaknyatvam hanustambascha vakrage sevyades tatra gandushaha sarvamcha vishajit hitam. Lala jihva oshtayoho jadyam usha chimichimayanam dandaharsho rasa aknyatvam hanustambaha cha vakrage sevyadehi tatra gandushaha sarvam cha vishajit hitam. लाला जिह्व ओष्ठयोः जाड्यम् ऊषा चिमिचिमायनं दन्तहर्षो रसाज्ञत्वं हनुस्तम्भः च वक्रके सेव्यादेहि तत्र गण्डूषाः सर्वं च विषजित् हितम्. If the poison food is consumed, the effect in oral cavity or the signs and symptoms which are seen in the mouth or oral cavity are being told. They are lala, that is excess of salivation will be produced. Jihva oshtayoho jatyam, that is inactivity of the tongue and lips will be produced. Usha, burning sensation. Chimichimayanam, the tinkling sensation or pricking sensation will be produced. Then the harsha, tinkling of the teeth will be produced. And rasajnatvam, inability to perceive the taste is seen. And hanustamba, stiffness of the lower jaw will be produced if the poison food is consumed. And the treatment to be given in such conditions. Sevyadehi Gandusha. The Sevyadi dravyas which already mentioned previously, that all dravyas can be taken for Gandusha. Gandusha means a type mouth gargling with medicated water or oil is called as Gandusha. So by using this Sevyadi dravyas, that is Sevya, Chandana, Patmaka, Somavalka, Talisapatra, Kushta, Amrita and Nata, Gandusha can be done in such condition. And also Sarvam Vishajit Hitam. All the other therapies which help in reducing this Visha or which are anti-poisonous Vishajit can also be done in such conditions. Amashayagata Vishana Lakshana. What are the signs and symptoms when this food get into the amashaya or it enters the stomach? Amashaya gate sveda murcha atmana madaphramaha रोमहर्षो वमिर्दाह चक्षुहृदय रोधनम बिंदुबिश्च अयो अंगानाम. आमाशय गदे स्वेद मूर्छा आत्मान मद भ्रमाः रोमहर्षो वमिः दाह चक्षुः हृदय रोधनम बिंदुभिः आचय अंगानाम. आमाशय गदे स्वेद मूर्छा आत्मान मद भ्रमाः रोमहर्षो वमिः दाह चक्षुः हृदय रोदनम बिंदुभिः आचय अंगानाम. So the signs or symptoms seen when the poison food reaches the stomach are sweda, sweating will be produced, murcha, the person become fainting, atmana, abdominal distension with flatulence will be produced, mata, intoxication, bhrama, giddiness, romaharsha, horripilation, Vami, that is vomiting will be produced, Daha, burning sensation, Chakshuhu Rodhanam, loss of movement of the eyes will be produced, and Hridaya Rodhanam, loss of movement of the heart or inability or some discomfort over the chest region will be produced. Bindubihi Anganam Achaya, that is appearance of purpuric rashes all over the body will also be seen. Pakvashayagata Vishana Lakshana. When the poison food enters into the Pakvashaya or the intestine, the signs and symptoms produced are Pakvashayagate Punaha Aneka Varnam Vamati Mutreti Atisaryate Tandra Krishatvam Pandutvam Udaram Bela Sangshayaha. Pakvashayagate Punaha Aneka Varnam Vamati Mutrayati Atisaryate Tandra Krishatvam Pandutvam Udaram Bela Sangshayaha. Pakvashe gade punaha aneka varnam vamati mutrayati atisaryate tandra krishatvam pandutvam udaram bela sangshayaha. So when the poison food reaching the stomach intestine, it will be producing aneka varnam vamati, that is vomiting in different colors, mutrayati, excess of urination, and atisaryate, purgation or diarrhea will be produced, tandra, drowsiness, Krishatvam, emaciation, Pandutvam, pallor, Udaram, enlargement of the abdomen, and Bela Sankshaya, loss of strength will be produced. Management for Amashaya Gada and Pakvashaya Gada Vishana. Tayor Vanda Viriktasya Haridre Katapim Gudam Sindhuvarida Nishpava Bashpika Shataparvikaha Tanduliyaka Mulani Kukudanda Avalgujam Navana Anjana Paneshu Yojayet Vishashantaye. Tayoho Vanda Viriktasya Haridre Katapim Gudam Sindhuvarida Nishpava Bashpika Shataparvikaha तण्डुलीयक मूलानि कुक्कुडाण्डम् अवल्गुजं नावन अंजन पानेषु योजयेत् विष शान्तये तयोः वान्त विरिक्तस्य हरिद्रे कटपीं गुडं सिन्धुवारित निष्पाव बाष्पिका शतपर्विकाः तण्डुलीयक मूलानि कुक्कुडाण्डम् अवल्गुजं नावन अंजन पानेषु योजयेत् विष शान्तये. So the management or the treatment principles are for both these conditions. In order to relieve the effect of poison, the patient should be administered with Vanta, that is Vamana Karma, Virikta, Virechana Karma. And after this Vamana and Virechana, the person should be administered with Navana or Nasya Karma, Anjana, that is application in the eyes, and Pana, the drinks. And this Navana, Anjana and Pana should be done with the Dravyas such as Haridra, Kadapi, Guda, Sindhuvarita, Nishpava, Bashpika, Shataparvika, Tantuliyaka Mula, Kukkudanda and Avalguja. Haradvishodhana. So after the person consuming the food and he had undergone the Shodhana karma, next step is to detoxify the heart, or the Hridaya should be made free from the toxin. That is called as Hridvishodhana. So what all things has to be done for the Hridaya Shodhana has been mentioned. Vishabhuktaya Didyatcha Shuddhaya Urdhvam Athastada सूक्ष्मं ताम्ररजः काले सक्षौद्रं हृद्विशोधनं शुद्धे हृदि ततः शाणं हेमचूर्णस्य दापयेत् न सज्जते हेमपाङ्के पद्मपत्रे अम्बुवत् विषं जायते विपुलं च आयुर्गरे अपि एष विधिः स्मृतः. विषभुक्ताय दद्यात् च शुद्धाय ऊर्ध्वम् अधः तथा सूक्ष्मं ताम्ररजः काले सक्षौद्रं हृद्विशोधनं शुद्धे हृदि ततः शाणं हेमचूर्णस्य दापयेत् न सज्जते हेमपाङ्के पद्मपत्रे अम्बुवत् विषं जायते विपुलं च आयुः गरे अपि एष विधिः स्मृतः. विषभुक्ताय दद्यात् च शुद्धाय ऊर्ध्वम् अधः तथा सूक्ष्मं ताम्ररजः काले सक्षौद्रं हृद्विशोधनं शुद्धे हृदि ततः शाणं हेमचूर्णस्य दापयेत् न सज्जते हेमपाङ्के पद्मपत्रे अम्बुवत् विषं जायते विपुलं च आयुः गरे अपि एष विधिः स्मृतः. So Vishabhuktaya, the person who has taken poison or who has consumed the food which has been contaminated with poison, he should be given Shodhana Karma, Shuddhaya Urdhvam Adhaha. That is, Urdhva Shodhana is Vamana and Adha Shodhana, that is Virechana, has to be done. And Sukshmam Tamra Rajaha Kale Sakshaudram. And after this Shodhana Karma, after Vamana and Virechana Karma, the person should be given Sukshmam Tamra Rajaha, that is fine copper powder mixed with Kshaudra or honey should be given Kale, that is at appropriate time. That is after the Shodhana Karma, the person is to be advised on the Samsarjana Krama in order to improve the digestive power or Agni Deepti and also to regain the strength of the person. After doing the Samsarjana Krama, the patient has to be given this Tamra Rajaha or fine copper powder should be given. And this is given in order to detoxify the heart. That is, for Hridvishodhana, this copper powder or Tamra Raja is being given. And Shuddhe Hridihi Tataha Shanam Hemachurnasya Dapayet. So after detoxifying the heart, after doing the Shodhana Karma, Tamra Raja has to be given to the patient for detoxifying the heart, and after that the patient should be given one shana of gold powder. Hemachurna should be given. One shana is a measurement approximately weighing about 3 grams. So 3 grams of gold powder has to be given to the patient. And this is given, and the poison won't remain in the body if the patient is being given with this Hemachurna. and na sajjade hemapange padmapatre ambuvad visham. Hemapanga means the person who has already taken this hemachurna, and in such person the poison won't remain in the body. And an example or upama has been given in such context, that is, just like the water poured over the lotus leaf do not stick on the leaf, similarly the poison also won't remain in the body of the person. And other than this hemachurna will help in attaining or increasing the life expectancy, that is jayate vipulam cha ayuhu, ayu will be increased. And also gare api esha vidhihi, in garavisha also we have to follow this treatment modalities. Garavisha is the artificial poison, so in such conditions also we have to same treatment modalities has to be followed. That's how we did a portion of Annaraksha Adhyaya, and we'll be continuing the same chapter in the upcoming videos. For more updates on Samhita, make sure you subscribe the channel. Thank you. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.